Hours. There are simply not enough of them in the day to get everything done. With your thoughts occupied by meetings, clients' calls, Excel spreadsheets, reviewing budget expenditures, preparing financial reports, you may have decided to put aside your dream of growing and expanding your small business. Unfortunately, we don't have a magic wand to make your dream come true, but we can help you save time to work smarter and perform better with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Express. Business Central Express is a cloud ERP solution that helps you effectively manage purchasing, sales, finance, accounting, and project processes, and create reports within a single application. This world-leading Microsoft ERP solution is packaged to fit your needs at an affordable price and will transform your day-to-day operations in just 2 weeks. Yes, you are only 2 weeks away from boosting sales and taking better care of customers, finishing projects on time and under budget, implementing world-renowned practices into your processes, taking your business to the next level without worrying about IT infrastructure, always having the latest version of one of the most cutting-edge ERPs in the world. And the best part? It grows with your business, so you don't need to be afraid of dreaming big. How can all this be done? Visit our website for more details.